everyone, Steve and Hattie here in beautiful Las Terrenas. We're at an amazing property. We're having a spectacular day here as always. So what we're gonna look at today, not your normal villa or apartment. This property has 3 main buildings, 2 swimming pools. At the moment it's being used only as a rental income property. It could be used as that, of course, it does very well. You could live in one of the villas, rent the other 2, so 3 villas in total, all on the same property. It's magnificent. Let's go check it out. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a lot to take in. Best to do it in person. Of course, we're here for that at your convenience. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a call, ask us some questions. We're always here to help you.